out the evaporator. Get some light on.
Alright guys, this is a 2020 International 625 LT625, and it's got an evaporator leak. You got to take this box off right here. There's 4 bolts right here that are well, they're 4 nuts back in there, and a wire harness going across the top. And yeah, see, there's 4 bolts. And that's the wire harness. And the cowl does have to come loose to get it out. There's 2 on the inside right here. 2 nuts back there. The cowl has to come off too, the top part. It just has to come loose enough to slide the box off. And of course, you got to get all the Freon out of it before you take the lines loose. This one had no Freon left in it because it all leaked out. So those 2 bolts right there have to come out too. And that's what caused this issue. Those bolts fell out, as you seen in the beginning of the video. And those lines just wiggled back and forth until it broke the evaporator. And that's why we're changing it out. So I'm looking to see if I have to take the cowl off. The cowl does have to come loose for the box to come out. And there's 2 10mm bolts on top of that box too that are through the cowl, which I didn't get on video right here, but there are 2 bolts up there, and there's 2 bolts. There's 2 nuts on each side of this box, and it comes right out. And I didn't realize that my mic wasn't on. That's why I'm doing a little voiceover here. So hope this doesn't bother anybody, but hopefully this helps, because I could not find any videos. Oh yeah, this plug right here, this wire plug has to be undone. And there's the nut that holds the 2 lines on right here. There's a nut right here, and take that nut off. Those lines come right out. Unplug the plug, and then you can swing those lines out of the way, and they'll be out of the way. So, and then there's, some bolts holding the cover on, and then it just slides right out. So my audio comes back after this little short clip here, and then
All right, we got the box off.
Then we're done. There we go. We're back.
Take these screws off that are in here. I think there's 5 of them, maybe 6 of them. And the evaporators just slide right out of there. They're pretty dang easy, guys. So let me get those screws out, and then we'll be back. Alright, got the 6 bolts off the cover. As you can see, she's pretty nasty in there. Definitely leaking. We already knew it was leaking. I think it just pull on this, it should come right out of there. It should come right out. Oh yeah. So that's all there is to it. Pretty easy, guys. Set it there. I am stuck up here trying to hold the camera. Get that out. That's out. That's pretty nasty. So I'm gonna put the new one in here. And let's reverse the procedure that we just did. I gotta bring those numbers up so you guys can find the instructions how to do this. So hang tight. Here's the procedure. That number right there, 00001282371. If you type that in the search, it should bring this right up. I don't know if it'll bring it up without subscription or not, but that's what we used. This truck doesn't have an S13. I couldn't find it under A26, but it came right up underneath of this, and it's the same, pretty much the same thing as what I'm working on. I know it says it's 2024, but it's a 2020 I'm working on. So I hope you guys this helps somebody. And if you would, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See you.